Sometimes parents and children both want connection, but don't know how to begin. Many families spend time together, but still feel emotionally far apart.
Healthy communication starts when people stop interrupting and start listening. When conversations become arguments, nobody feels understood anymore. Real communication feels safe. Calm listening changes the entire conversation. When children feel heard, they become more honest and open. And when parents respond with understanding instead of anger, trust grows stronger. Healthy families solve problems together instead of fighting against each other. Small moments of laughter and listening slowly rebuild emotional connection. Healthy communication is not about being perfect. It's about learning to understand each other with love.